Today, I will guide you through the quiet craft successful option traders use to secure their winnings and keep a reservoir of cash ready for the next big wave. How elite option traders lock in profits and grow a cash safety net. 1. Risk budget before reward. Effective backup begins before the first contract is purchased. Pros decide exactly how much capital a single idea deserves. 10% of total trading funds is the outer ceiling. 5% is more common. By honoring that line in advance, they guarantee that one wrong move cannot drain the well. They also maintain a separate, untouchable reserve, call it the Opportunity Fund, equal to at least half of their liquid assets. That reserve is the oxygen tank. It keeps them calm when the market storms. 2. Building safety into the trade. Once sizing is locked, masters sculpt the position itself. They choose strategies with defined risk, vertical spreads instead of naked calls, iron condors over unprotected straddles. If they purchase a single call, they often pair it with a protective put or a profit bracket order that sells half when the option doubles. These mechanics turn an idea into an engineered machine. Every gear knows its tolerance. Every part has a fuse. Then comes the trailing stop. It is not an arbitrary percentage. It is set at the technical level where the original reason for entering is proven wrong. That way, the stop is a guardian of logic, not fear. 3. Rolling, scaling, and diversification. Money backing does not end with the entry. When the trade moves in their favor, seasoned traders scale out, selling a portion to recover the initial debit, letting the remainder ride on house money. If time decay threatens, they roll the position out to a later month, capturing additional premium while preserving direction. Profits become chips stashed in a different pocket, never to be risked again. Next is diversification across strategies and expiration cycles. A calendar spread in technology, a cash-secured put in consumer staples, and a debit spread on a broad market index rarely move in perfect sync. That mosaic smooths the equity curve, making the backup plan a living, breathing portfolio rather than one lonely bet. 4. Liquidity, psychology, and the closing note. Cash is more than idle weight. It is strategic ammunition. Professionals keep at least 30% in immediate liquidity. That cushion allows them to pounce when volatility surges and premiums inflate. It also protects their mindset. Nothing poisons decision-making faster than the feeling of being cornered. Finally, remember that backing up money is a habit, not a stunt. Winners journal every exit, note every near miss, and review their journals weekly. They reward themselves for following process, not for landing a windfall. The market will always tempt you to swing for the fences. Yet the path to lasting wealth is paved with singles, doubles, and capital preserved. Take these principles, breathe them into your routine, and you will trade with the quiet confidence of someone who already knows the outcome. Profits captured, bankroll guarded, next opportunity funded. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Please leave us a comment in the comments section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.